everyone, this is Decidueye Nim, and today we have not only regular English packs, but Spanish packs. So we have here Ultra Prism, which is Ultra Prisma, Sol y Luna, which is here. These are going to be 3 cards per pack, or 4 cards per pack. And here we have Tormenta Celestial, Sol y Luna, which are 4. We have 4 packs of that, 4 packs of the other one that we're going to open up. And then we have regular Vivid Voltage in English. So we're going to open up the bargain packs that are 3 to 4 to a pack. I've never really opened these before, so let's see how. I don't know if there is no holo or not, or at least a reverse holo, because I've seen the ones that they sell at like a Dollar Tree, they don't guarantee a reverse holo in them. So let's see. Okay, so I don't know what the trick is, so oh, whoa, we have, oh my god, a rainbow full art Necrozma Alas de Alba GX. Oh, that's my first rainbow card. Oh, wow, it's number 161 out of 156, so it's above the set number, obviously. The cut looks really great. Wow. That's insane. I'm gonna have to go sleeve this right away. But that's insane. This is my... And usually, I was just saying that you're not guaranteed anything good in these bargain packs, but we just pulled that out, so that... wow. Okay, let's open up the next one. Okay. I guess we're gonna do it like this. One to the front. So we have a Parugly, a Skorupi, and a reverse holo Cosmoem. So we're gonna have the next pack. Oh, this one's harder to open. Great. Okay, so we're going to put one to the front. We have a Tyranitar, a Dewpider, and a Sunky. Last pack of the bargain packs. And these are really hard to open. So we have one to the front. And we have Disco Eléctrico, Sneasel, and a reverse Electro. That was pretty cool, but like I was saying that we usually don't pull like good cards out of them, but sometimes you do. I've heard that people pull out like these really good cards out of the bargain packs. That's really insane. So now we're gonna move into Tormenta Celestial, Celestial Storm. We're gonna start off with the Jirachi pack. So it's a white pack. Oh, they do the art different over there. So I think we're doing 3 different. Oh yeah, and get rid of the energy card, which is fighting energy. Bici Acrobatica, Super Levante, Weepinbell, Beldum, Larvitar, Wailmer, Bellsprout, Chincho, Reverse Ludicolo, and a Registeel. We're gonna do the Rayquaza one, or Rayquaza. How do you pronounce it? Rayquaza or Rayquaza? White pack. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the fairy energy. And then we have Laudred, Sistema de Reciclaje de Energía, Santuario del Castigo, Shupet, Trico, Cacnea, Mudkip, Slugma, Pupitar as a reverse, and a regular Deoxys. Now we're going to load up the Blaziken pack. White pack. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the Leaf Energy. And then we have Pescador, Pupitar, Kecleon, Wilmer, Spinarak, Larvitar, Slackoth, Love Disc, Sistema de Reciclaje de Energía, Reverse, and Rayquaza GX! Whoa! It'd have been funny if it was inside of the Rayquaza art pack, but it was inside the Blaziken one. But that's insane. Look at that. And the cut looks pretty good. It's kind of a little bit whitening here in the corner, but that's really good. It is 109 to 168. And then we're going to put this in a top loader. Okay, last pack of the Spanish packs. And then we're going to move on to the English ones. Okay, white pack. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the Psychic Energy. We have Plusle, Pokinav, Vigoroth, Surskit, Sneasel, Shupit, Mudkip, oh crap, Beldum, Bagon as a reverse, and a Holo Celesteela. So that's pretty cool. Now we're going to move on to the English Vivid Voltage packs. We're going to start off with the Monkey pack. I forgot what this one's called. For me, I didn't think it was a monkey. It looked kind of more wolf-like than a monkey. Oh, what is the name of this one anyway, the Pokemon? Oh, God. Oh, we know it's a green pack now. It's a white and green pack. Okay, so it's this way. So 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the Fire Energy. We're gonna do Shuckle, Nuzleaf, Memory Capsule, Woobat, Arrokuda, Seedot, Fanafi, Shupit, Quabblepus as a reverse. Oh, another Pikachu VMAX! Oh, God! Now I have 2 in the collection! Oh! Oh, and the back looks pretty good. It might be a little bit heavy. No, actually, it actually looks pretty good. The corners look good. Oh, that's insane! Woo! But I really do want to get the rainbow one. But that's insane. We already got another Pikachu VMAX. The one that I found out that says P when he turns into the Gigantamax version. I still haven't been able to get Sword or Shield for the Switch, but I'm planning to get one. Because it looks like a lot of fun. I did play Sun and Moon a lot. Because I had my 2DS to play with. So now it's green pack, so 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the Dark Energy. And we have Gogoat, Careless, Stone Energy, Mudbray, Poochyena, Charmander, Chatot, Joltik, Manectric as a reverse, and a regular Donphan. Do the Celebi pack. So, let's see what we get. regular green pack. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the leaf energy. And we're gonna do memory capsule, Gogoat, Ferrothorn, Wooper, Nincada, Whismur, Drillbur, Wailmer, Girafarig, Barraskewda. Oh no, Girafarig was the reverse. I didn't even notice that. Oh, but Barraskewda is the rare. Last one, Pikachu pack. And we're going to finish it off with a regular green pack. So 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the fighting energy. We have Hero's Metal, Galarian Stunfisk, Sableye, Weedle, Beldum, Fanafi, Duskull, Electrike, Galarian Stunfisk as a reverse, and a Grapclaw. So that was pretty good. We got really good hits. Not only did we get another Pikachu VMAX, but we also got a Rayquaza GX and a Necrozma Rainbow GX. So that's pretty good hits. And we also have this regular Holo Celesteela. So I think this is pretty good packs. So anyways, we also, for the next video, I also purchased this Tag Team Powers Collection Espeon and Deoxys GX one that we'll be opening up in the next video. But thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you are having a good day. And if you like my content, leave a like, please. Thank you. Goodbye.